Hi my friends, hope you are doing well and welcome back to my channel. In Modify section series, I've stopped at Array tool. In this tutorial, I will continue with the following tools: Erase, Explode, and Offset. Before that, you can watch the videos mentioned on the top for the tools in Modify section under Home tab. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you after the intro. Let's start with Erase. Erase removes objects from a drawing. To erase an object, you can click in Modify section this icon, Erase, or type Enter as a command. If we have these shapes, circles, polylines, and arcs, I want to erase this polyline. Click Erase, select the object, and press Enter. You can erase the last object drawn. For example, I want to draw a circle. Click Erase and type L to erase the last object drawn, this circle. L enter. This circle is selected and should be removed. Press enter. You can erase the last selection set. Click erase. Type P. Select these two shapes and press enter. You can erase all the objects from the drawing by typing all. Enter. Explode. Explode breaks a compound object into its component objects. Objects that can be exploded include blocks, polylines, and regions. Here are the results of explode for each of the following types of object. For example, 2D polyline. If we have a 2D polyline, L enter, with, for example, 0.5, 0.5, and start drawing a polyline. To explode this polyline, click Explode from Modify section or X enter as a command. Explode this polyline discards any associated with or tangent information. For wide polylines, the resulting lines and arcs are placed along the center of this polyline. Select the object and press enter. These lines and arcs are placed along the center of the polyline. After exploding the 2D polyline, what's the result of exploding the annotative objects? It explodes the current scale representation into its constituent parts, which are no longer annotative. Click Explode and select the dimensions and press enter. And here are the results. The texts and leaders are separated. Explode an array. It explodes an associative array into copies of the original objects. For example, this rectangular array, click Explode and select it and press enter. The copies are separated from the original object. Another example, for this polar array, explode the objects and copies are separated. After explode in modify section, we have offset. Offset creates concentric circles, parallel and parallel curves. You can offset an object at a specified distance or through a point. So, I have two methods to offset. First method, specify an offset distance. Second method, specify a pass-through point. Let's start with the first one. To offset an object, so click Offset. Then specify the distance. You can enter a value or use a pointing device to determine a distance with 2 points. Enter, for example, 3. Select the object to offset. After that, specify a point whether the object is to offset inside or outside of the original object. Second method, specify a pass-through point. Click Offset. In option, you can enter T for through. T enter. Then select the object to offset and specify a point through which the offset object will pass. So T enter, select the object offset and specify this point which the offset object will pass. Another one, T enter, select the object, this one, and specify this point the offset object will pass. Then extend this line or fillet this line with this one. Thank you my friends for watching. If you have any inquiries about erase, offset and explode, you can drop your question in the comment section or you can contact me through my email and I will answer you as soon as possible. Have a nice day.